Hello, my name is María Fernanda Supante Niño. Step 4 Understand in the Negotiation, Evaluación and Negotiation of Technology, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Tenemos Problems to Negotiation Biotechnological Production. Tenemos Problem related to the protection of intellectual property. Developed countries today did not have to comply with the strict standards of protection to which developing countries are today forced to comply during their growth, thanks above all to multilateral treaties. Some have the agreement on aspects of their rights of trade relate intellectual property trips of the World Trade Organization with problem related to biotechnology. Biotechnology as a solution to recover damaged natural resources such as coral reefs in the Caribbean, where 60 are damaged. Problem related to negotiation. The negotiation of biotechnology products is imposed by the associate intangible component 18 dive to patent strict because they have novel technology or because they are research and developing products in the various streams of production development. Technology transfer. Technology transfers, as called transfers of technology, is the process of transferring technology from the person or organization that owns or holds it to another person or organization in an attempt to transfer inventors and essential outcomes in new production and service that benefit society. Technology transfers in closely relate to and may arguably be considered a sub on planwheel transfers. Mucho más. Recommendations. And biotechnology is a discipline to mind the transfer of technology since it will become the success of each process in their hard, a clean and well-defined strategies. We must have several solutions for each of the structural problems that are throughout the process. This must be proven with sufficient human and economic resolutions. We can increase the support instruments and develop stamp and solid programs. Thank you.